The dad of one of my young students sent me a message the other day and said, "Uncle Geoff, I'm going to send you a parcel." This is the parcel. It arrived this morning. It's Sunday morning in China. And big box, what's in it? So time to open up and see what's there. Oh my goodness, let's have a look. Interesting. What can it all be? Let's have a look. Oh my goodness. Oh. It looks like cakes of some sort. Let's have a little look. Everything is wrapped up so well when they do deliveries in China. The message from my student's dad said, "We're going to send you some goodies from the Xi'an region of China." And it looks like these are lots of lovely specialities from Xi'an. Oh my goodness. Cakes of all sorts. Look at this, a big bag of goodies. They must know I love cakes and sweet things. Shall we try one of these first? You can smell sesame seed on top. Look at that. And I love the flavour of sesame seeds and the smell. And that's lovely. Like a little tiny ball of cake. It's really sweet. Okay. Next bag. Which one shall we go for next? This one or this one? This looks chocolatey. This looks vanilla-like, but who knows until you open it and taste it. By the way, big thank you to Kola and his dad. Thank you so much. I love cakes. Let's open this one. Doesn't smell chocolatey, but with the colour of the cake looks chocolatey. But let's have a little look. Kind of a ginger. You can imagine like a ginger cake, like you have back in the UK, like a block, like a small loaf of bread, with a ginger flavour. Lovely and moist, and lovely and chewy and beautiful. This is just like that, but a flat version. I've now opened 2 cakes. I'll be eating a lot later with a big cup of tea. As I've opened 2 cakes, I might leave that one till later. Otherwise, I'll be getting far too fat. Kola and your dad, thank you so much. Oh, and in the bottom of the box, underneath all the cakes, is this. I have no idea what this is. There's a cup and saucer and a spoon, so it must be a drink of some kind. What it tastes of, I have no idea. I will have to ask my wife. She must know. So we'll try a cup of that later on. My 11s and afternoon tea are well organised from now on. Thank you so much. Cheers.